For my Design for Manufacture class, I designed a block-off plate for my new radio to install in my truck. This will replace the small cubby that comes with the new kit. This way I can mount my phone or switches to the panel. The mount consists of two 16-gauge brackets that mount to the existing radio assembly. This material will have a similar construction to the existing radio brackets that it interfaces with. These brackets will hold a carbon fiber faceplate with 4 screws connecting them together. Carbon fiber can be used for interior aesthetics in the auto industry. To create the carbon fiber panel, the carbon fiber is cut by hand, to later lay up. Next, a plate is cleaned with isopropyl and then mold release is applied. The carbon fiber is later laid up. I used 14 sheets to achieve 1/8" thickness. After the carbon fiber panel is laid up, it is placed on the flat aluminum sheet and a vacuum bag is then created. The bag consists of peel ply, perf film, breather, and then bagging material. Vacuum is pulled on the part to help remove any voids in the part before it cures in the oven. After 4 hours, the part is later removed from the oven, the vacuum line disconnected, the bag removed, and then the peel ply removed from the part. The carbon fiber plate is now ready to be water jet. The water jet uses high pressure water mixed with abrasives to cut parts with good precision. I start by cutting the flat patterns of the brackets first to make sure that the water jet is working properly before later cutting the carbon plate. First, the DX step of the part is used to create a toolpath on the computer, then a test run of the path is done before finally cutting the part. After the water drains, the final part is retrieved. Next, the carbon plate is cut to make the faceplate for my product. I used CAD to create a bend centerline for the brackets that corresponds to the flat pattern I cut. After marking the bend centerline of the part, I line the brackets in the open die press brake and pull the lever to bend the part. I use an angle finder to make sure the part bent a little over 90 degrees to count for spring back. Next, I install rivet nuts into the part so that I have threads that can be used to fasten the faceplate to the brackets. Now that all the parts are made, I assemble the bracket to the radio and then install the system into my truck. Now I finally have somewhere to hold my phone and other accessories while in my truck.